Today I will be showing you guys how I did these hand flashy effects from NLE Choppa 23 music video. It's super easy and simple, so let's start. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is prepare our base clip, the clip we'll be working with. Once that's ready, we're going to duplicate it by pressing Command or Control D. On the duplicated clip, we're going to look for good edit points where we want to apply our flashes. To do this, move one frame at a time by holding Command or Control and pressing the right arrow key. Once you've found the right frames, make a split at each point and delete any extra footage at the end. After that, for each of these points, we're going to apply a rotoscope. I've already prepared mine ahead of time to save us some time here, but for you, it's simple. Open the clip, create your rotoscope, and hit freeze to lock it in. Next, go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for the fill effect and drag it onto your rotoscope clip. By default, the color will be red, just change it to white in the Effect Controls panel. Next, we'll add a glow effect. I'm using Sapphire Glow for this, but you can also use Deep Glow or the built-in glow effect in After Effects, which is completely free. Once you've got the effects set up, copy them to the other rotoscope clips. Hold Command or Control and select both effects. Then hit copy and paste them onto the other clips by pressing Command or Control V. And that's it for this tutorial. Let me know what you'd like to see next, and I'll be happy to help with more tips and tricks.